Friends, you wait at work for 5 minutes now. No. Should I dress well? It's cold outside. I'm in a hurry.
Hello viewers, this video of ours was filmed in a hurry, which I think will also help when you are in a hurry. Dear viewers, my only request from you is to subscribe to me. The number of views of my channel has exceeded 10,000, but the subscription is small. It doesn't hurt to have a subscription. Does not require liability, it benefits you. I will be happy to show more videos like this again. Thank you very much. Good luck.